Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday, and welcome to another in-store CVS video. So I'm going to share with you guys the deals starting January 13th through the 19th. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I will have the cards that share with you guys the breakdowns, but then I also have a printable list for you guys as well. I want to help you guys out as much as I can. So taking that extra time is really not a lot of time in the whole scheme of things. So since I've got myself off social media, I have so much free time. So also don't forget to click that red subscribe button. So back in December, YouTube went and unsubscribed a whole bunch of people from every channel across the board. So creators were losing thousands of subscribers on the day. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel. So just check the red subscribe button. Just go ahead and give it a click. Make sure you're subscribed. Ding the notification bell, because that's when you're going to be notified every single time I post a video. So let's just go ahead and get into it. And don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. So let's just hop into the deals. So let's just go ahead and start off with a freebie. So the Crest toothpaste is going to be on sale for $3.99, and everyone's going to get a $2.99 extra care buck when you buy one. And we have $1 off one coupons you can send to your CVS app. I'm going to pin my video on how to use your CVS app in case you don't know, but you can just go to your CVS app and there are a ton of digital coupons you can clip to your card. So when you enter your number or scan your card at checkout, this is automatically going to come off. So after the extra care buck and coupon, it makes it completely free. Alright, you guys, so we have a great deal on Nivea body washes. So Nivea body washes are on sale 2 for $7, and we're getting a 3 off 2 coupon coming in our Retail Me Not. So that makes them 2 for $4. But if you have a 2 off 6 CRT for body wash, then that's going to make them 2 for $2 or $1 each, which is great because the starting price is $6.49. So this is a really great deal, and I unfortunately don't get those coupons. So if you get those coupons, then this is going to be a great deal. You guys, so I have quite the vitamin deal for you guys. So what you want to do is pick up 2 of the Flintstone gummies. These are priced for $8.99, and then pick up 2 of these One-A-Day Kids. These are priced for $6.19. So 2 of the One-A-Days are going to be 50% off because it's the least expensive. So total in 4 vitamins, it's going to be $24.17. What you want to do is use 4 of these Flintstones or One-A-Day Kid vitamins. So this came in this past week's Smart Source. You can go ahead and use 4 of them. It says limit of 4 like coupons, so you can totally use 4. So that's going to take $16 off in manufacturer coupons. And then if you have these CRTs, it's going to make it even better. So this is a 3 off 15 CRT for the vitamins. This is on any One-A-Day or Flintstones multivitamin. And then I also got a 3 off 15 vitamin purchase, mix and match. So I'm going to take another $3 off. So I'm going to get all 4 of them for $5.17 or $1.29. So this is an awesome deal. So hopefully you guys have the same CRTs as me. guys, so we have a deal on the Pampers wipes. So it's also on the pure diapers, but I'm going to highlight the Pampers wipes deal. So they're buy one, get one 40% off. So one of them is priced for $3.99, and the second one's going to be 40% off. So you're going to get both of them for $5.58 or just $2.79 each. So not a bad deal if you are brand loyal to Pampers. Alright you guys, so we have a great deal on feminine care this week here at CVS. So it's going to be on the Carefree, Stay Free, and Playtex. So they're buy one, get one 50%, and we also have coupons to pair with it. So in this past week's Smart Source, we got coupons for all three. There's also printable coupons for Stay Free and Playtex on coupons.com. So what you want to do is pick up 4 of these Carefree liners. So this is the 36 count. So they're priced for $4.79. You don't have to go this route, but I just wanted to go ahead and pick out the best deal in this department. So go ahead and pick up 4 of them for $14.37. 2 of them ring up half price, and these 4 of those $1 off 1 coupons, and forgive me if the limits are wrong because I don't have the physical coupon in front of me, so just make sure you are sticking to the limits. So apology in advance if I got the limits wrong. Comment below if you guys have that coupon. You can let us know what the verbiage is. And then I also got a CRT for $1.50 off any tampons, pads, or liners, including CVS brands. So that's going to take another $1.50 off, and it's spend 12, get a $4 extra care buck. So I'm going to take another $4 factoring in the extra care buck. So it makes all 4 $4.87, just $1.21 each, which is great. Also, if you just wanted to head in here and get a freebie, the 20 count of panty liners, the CVS brand, these are priced for $1.29. With this CRT, you would get them for free because it's $1.50 off any tampon, pad, or liner, including CVS brands. So with this CRT, you'll get this absolutely free. So we have a really good deal on the Garnier Fructis shampoo, conditioners, and stylers. The Garnier are priced for 2 for $7 on sale, and you're gonna get a $3 extra care buck when you buy 2, and you can use the 3 off 2 coupon that came in this past week's Retail Me Not, so it'll make them 2 for $2 or $1 a piece. If you have that 2 off 2 CRT that printed from this past week, then this is going to make it a $1 moneymaker. So really great deal. Hopefully you held on to this CRT and you can snag this deal.
Alright, so Physicians Formula this week is buy 2, get 10, and this does not include the clearance, you guys. So buy 2, get 10. So the Post Honey Bunches of Oats are on sale for just $1.99. So great, great sale price. So we have some great deals in the coffee aisle. So the G Value coffee, as well as the Mint Cafe, the bag coffee and K-Cups. These are going to be on sale for $5.99. Regular price is $9.99. And then we also have a sale on the Starbucks coffee. They are on sale for $6.99. So the K-Cups and the bag coffee are on sale for $6.99.
So these are all the CVS deals I'm going to share with you guys in store. So again, there's going to be a printable breakdown. So I was so lucky when I was in store, and CVS corporate was inside the store, and at checkout I started talking to them, and I let them know, like, hey, like, we're a huge couponing community here. Like, there's a lot of us that really love CVS, but there's been some issues that have been going on at the registers with our coupons and all sorts of stuff. So I was able to talk with about 5 of them. There were different people from all over the country. One was from Michigan, one was from Illinois, one was from Massachusetts. So they're from all over visiting this store. So I was really able to chat with them and let them know from a consumer, like, some of the concerns that we've been having the past few months with CVS, with the CRTs not going through and all sorts of stuff. So it was nice to actually be able to talk to people that are behind the scenes in the store that we are couponing at. So hopefully they will listen to some of these concerns, write it down, and maybe talk about it in a meeting going forward, maybe. Wishful thinking on my part, but we'll see. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. So I was definitely an advocate towards you guys, because I do read your comments, I do read your concerns, and I was able to talk to them about them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.